Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine Esozie. If you're just joining us, this channel is all about natural skincare and lifestyle. Today we'll be making a lightening black soap mix. So already we have the black soap measured out in our mortar that we used to pound. Here is a mix of turmeric oil together with kojic dipalmitate. So to it, I'll be adding all the other powders for effective mixing. So I add my honey. That's our honey. Then turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. Here is camwood powder. Here is carrot powder. This is rice powder, because remember it's a lightening black soap. So if you notice, most of the ingredients, they are all natural and they also have lightening properties. Camwood, carrot powder, rice powder, turmeric. Then here is sandalwood powder, the brownish one, and this is cow milk powder. You can either use cow milk powder or goat milk powder, but in the absence of goat milk powder, I'm making use of cow milk powder. That's your normal milk that you consume. And sandalwood powder. They both have lightening properties. Remember, it's a lightening black soap we're making. Then this is tamarind juice. You get the tamarind, then you rinse it in some water, then you now measure out the quantity you will need. So I'm pouring it directly into the black soap. Tamarind juice. Then here is our lemon juice. I just freshly squeezed it before I started the video. Then here is licorice root powder. And finally, here is shea butter. is also needed for this recipe. So I scoop it out. So now I'm going to mix everything thoroughly before adding it to the soap. This is another way of getting all the ingredients well incorporated into the black soap fast enough. You know, like just sprinkling it on the black soap directly and now pounding for it to get in. If you do it this way, it even makes it easier. So now that I'm done, I'll now add everything to the black soap, honey, tamarind juice that we already have here. And the lemon juice as well. I know I put it directly in here. Then we go on to start pounding. If you noticed, we had so much liquid ingredients, so it will soften the soap faster. Pound until you have a uniform mix. Here is our black soap, well mixed. I just finished pounding. I now scooped out into this bowl. The way it is now, you can go ahead to package in whatever container you want to pack it till you're ready to make use of it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you got value. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know each time there is new content. For those of you struggling with acne, I have a book, the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne. This book will take you through what acne is, how it is developed, the kind of skin that is predisposed to having acne, the different kinds of acne, foods you can eat to maintain a clear complexion or a clear skin, and foods you should avoid if you have an acne or oily or acne prone skin. And it will also help you to go from an acne ridden skin to a flawless complexion. This soap is also available for sale. You can contact me with the links in the description of this video. The Acne Handbook is also available with the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and do share as well. and click on the notification bell so you always be the first to know once there is new content. See you in my next video.